Hey singers, I just wanted to jump on here for anyone that's new or just recently started following me and introduce myself. I'm Abby Verba. I'm a certified vocal coach from Nashville, Tennessee originally. I just moved back to the States from Hungary with my family, lived in Hungary abroad for 15 years, worked with vocal studios out there, worked with clients who performed in talent shows such as Rising Star, Hungary, and Eurovision. I'm really passionate about helping singers find their voice in the sense of freeing their voice, how to relieve strain, how to have proper singing technique so that I can help you fully express yourself and learn how to use your God-given instrument, the voice. I believe that everyone can learn how to sing and that every voice is unique and beautiful. Please feel free to reach out to me in the comments and I'll connect with you. Thank you so much for being here. Follow if you want to see tips and tricks on how to improve your voice, and I'm looking forward to get to know you guys. Thanks.